Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. Today we continue working with a pleated floor-length skirt. I'm going to show you how to make pleats. I'm going to show you how to do it. A half of the skirt is 82 centimeters, and we need to make it 32 centimeters wide. What do we need to do? 82 centimeters minus 32 centimeters. 50 centimeters is left for the pleats. I think I'm going to make 5 folds, 10 centimeters wide each. As I've already said, we have 50 centimeters left for the pleats on each side. I'll start drawing the pleats from the center back. 5, 10, 5, 10. This is the center back. I also need to measure and mark 5 and 10 centimeters on the other side. The most important thing is to calculate how much fabric you need for the pleats. We are going to make 5 pleats on each side. Each of the pleats will be 10 centimeters wide. Watch the way I pin them. All the pleats will be directed towards the front. I have already folded 2 pleats. I'm going to pin the pleats on both sides. When I unfold the fabric, I want to unfold the fabric for you to see everything clearly. I need to pin 10 more centimeters here. As I've already said, I'm making 5 pleats, 10 centimeters wide each on each side. You can make more pleats or wider pleats. Use a wider piece of fabric in this case. Use your imagination. Don't be afraid of experiments. Do not forget to mark the center back. This is very important. This is the first half of the skirt, and here's the second half. I'm making the third pleat. I mean the third pleat on this side. Perfect. I remind you that I've marked each 5 and 10 centimeters here. Use your own measurements. It depends on how many pleats you want to make and how wide they're going to be. It was easy for me to do this. I had 50 centimeters left for the pleats, so I decided to make 5 pleats, 10 centimeters wide each. Actually, the pleats are 5 centimeters wide, but it takes 10 centimeters to fold them. The skirt is going to look absolutely amazing. I'm making the last pleat. Let's check if the details are accurate. Here's the center and here's the edge of the skirt. Here's a notch on the center back in the waistband. And here's the notch on the edge of the skirt. The difference is about 5 millimeters. It's okay. Perfect. The center back and the edge of the skirt should match in the skirt itself and the waistband. Next, I need to fold the pleats on the other side. After that, I will check the waistband. Perfect. There's just one pleat left to be made. Please make sure that when you fold the pleats, the fabric is on the same level. The pleat should be even, otherwise they won't look good. Ola is ready for all holidays. She has a transformer dress. She also has the red scalloped hem dress. I've already shown it to you. She has a lot of different beautiful garments I sew for her. Ola is pretty lucky. I have folded all the necessary pleats. 31 centimeter. Almost perfect. I remind you that I'm taking the skirt just for the fitting. The tailors are going to remove the taking before stitching the skirt. This is the center back. I can start taking the waistband. I want to make the waistband tighter. I'm not going to do it now. I'm not going to take the pins out. Taking is not enough. The fabric is pretty strong. This is just the first fitting. The taking is going to be removed. The edges will be processed as necessary. The pleats will be calculated precisely and folded once again. For now, I just want you to see how the skirt is going to look like. I'm sure that Ola will find a reason to wear this dress. If there are dresses, there are occasions. The fabric is very strong, so it's pretty hard to take it. You know what? I'll take the pins out. Have a look at Ola. This is just the first fitting. The waistband is just tacked. It's not ironed. However, you can already see how the skirt is going to look like. Ola, turn around, please. You've already seen Ola in a short dress. Now you can see how the long skirt looks like. I remind you that the width of the overcast is 20 centimeters. I recommend you making such wide overcasts when working with the strong fabrics. I hope that you will find this video useful. I want us all to be different and beautiful. This is what we're here for. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Paukshte Irina and Ola. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos. Press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.